Hello beautiful people, today we are here in Jamestown where the Gamashi youths in collaboration with Palestine Solidarity Campaign are taking a protest on the streets of Accra to express their anger and frustration about the ongoing war that is happening in Palestine. Stay with us as we bring you coverage of the protest.
Of course, to solidarize with the Palestinian people and to work out my own guilt. You know, a survivor will always feel guilty when people like myself, children like myself, and even younger are going through something that I only sit here and can only imagine the extent of. So I am here to solidarize with them, to work out my guilt, like I said earlier, and to just tell the world of what is happening, because it looks like most of us are on the blind side of things. Most of us do not know what is happening. So it is works like this that will help us, you know, tell the world what is happening, and to also gather support for the Palestinian people and just show solidarity with them, because I mean all other occupied countries before started like this. You know, they gathered support from other countries that were free. Freedom fights started small and then big results came out of them. So we are hoping the same thing will happen with the Palestinian people. We are hoping that one day all the pain and anguish and hunger and horror that their lives have been reduced to will one day go away, and the Palestinian people will be free just like all of us. We all need to be human. We may see ourselves to be, physically human, but we all need to be human. We all have to take a look at what being human means again. If truly we are being human, we will not reduce what is happening in Palestine to religious factors. We will not reduce it to Islam and Christianity, but we'll look at it from the perspective it needs to be looked at from. Because there are children involved, there are women involved, there are men involved, and all of them are innocent. This is not a war like we keep saying, it's a genocide, because the Palestinian people literally have no means of defending themselves. It's just one group that keeps committing massacre after massacre. Let's educate ourselves on the matter and be on the right side of justice.
The war will not stop without Israel leaving our lands and end its occupation to the Palestinian people. All the world know that if Israel wants to living in peace, she should support and agree to the two-state solution between the Palestinians and the Israelis. All the world support the two-state solution. Ghana support the two-state solution. But Israel, occupied country, she all the time want to occupy the other people. I don't know why. We are in 2024 now, not in 1967, you understand? They should understand that the world changed and the people changed in this world. And nobody can support Israel if she want to continue this occupation to the Palestinian people. Because of that, the Ghanaian people, this number 5, the demonstration number 5 in Accra here, they from time to time they organize demonstration and invite me to come and talk to the Ghanaian people. I don't think, as I said, this war will stop without Israel leaving the Palestinian lands which occupied in 1967. Including the capital of the Palestinian people, East Jerusalem.
Today we are support Palestine and against the war in Gaza and the genocide in Gaza. Today we all hear the Palestinian and the Ghanaian and the community of Ghana to send a message to the world, to the whole world, that we are against the massacre, against the war in Gaza, against what the Israeli army they are doing in Gaza. Today we all send a message to thank, first of all, thank Ghana, thank the people of Ghana, thank the government of Ghana, thank the leader of Ghana about their support to Palestine and the right of self-defense of the people of Palestine. Today this message is sent to the whole world that we all together, all the human together against the massacre, against the occupier, against the occupation of Palestine, against the killing of the people, of the innocent, of the women, of the children, against bombing the house and the homeland of the Palestinian people, of the church and the mosque. We all today together to send a message that this war must end. The Israeli government and the Israeli army and the Israeli leader, they must go to accountable to the ICC.
Let me say we are all humans. and whatever is happening there may affect us one day. We may not see it today because the previous one that happened in Ukraine and Russia, it affected us. That's what they said after there's the research and gathering. So we beg them because I believe that it can affect Ghana one day. Yeah, that's why I'm embarking on this demonstration. Today's message is all about peace and freedom. Free Gaza, because there are a lot of children there. And in every country, I believe that the women are many. So if every day people are being killed, children are being killed, women are being killed, men are being killed, please, we are all humans, please.
When you feel no sympathy for others, it's sad because you don't know what's happening to the people in Gaza, the people in Palestine today. It might be you tomorrow. Yeah, that's why I'm here today. When you think it's Palestine and it doesn't concern you, remember this hand washes this hand and this hand also washes this hand. It might be you tomorrow. Thank you.
I'm here to support Palestine, my brothers and sisters in Palestine. They should just free them, like just free Gaza, because they don't have to go through this. What they are going through is not alright, so they don't deserve it at all. They should just free Gaza, that's all. They should free Palestinian people, that's it.
Stop the war in Gaza. Free Palestine. Stop the war in Gaza now. Stop the war in Gaza now. Gaza for you, President. And you get the Palestine Solidarity Campaign. We can free Palestine now. Free Palestine must be free. Palestine must be free. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. Palestine must be free. Palestine must be free. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. Palestine must be free. Palestine must be free. Free, free Palestine. 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 From the river to the sea. Palestine must be free. Palestine must be free. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Palestine Solidarity Campaign. Okay? Free Palestine now. Okay? Stop the war in Gaza now. Okay? Stop killing children and women in Gaza. Free Palestine now. Okay? Free Palestine now. Free Palestine now. And stop the war in Gaza. And I got to get you there now. What are you president? Yeah. Palestine must be free. Free Gaza. Free Gaza.
wa yele mine. Gadan be youth. Waka wa youth president. The Palestine Solidarity Campaign. Okay? Come on here, no, I get me. Oh, for
no, straight.
This is where we bring the protest to an end. As you heard from the people, they are calling that the war in Palestine should come to an end. My name is Hafiz Larry. Don't forget to keep watching Hafiz TV. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.